powerful storm struck Romania's capital, Bucharest, on Thursday afternoon, causing significant material damage and leaving at least one person dead. The weather event, which lasted just 30 minutes, created widespread chaos and was described as one of the most intense weather events of the year in the country. Authorities issued orange and then red weather alerts due to the severity of the storm, which brought wind gusts over 90 kilometers per hour, 55 miles per hour, hail larger than 4 centimeters, 1.5 inches, and heavy rainfall. Despite the warnings, the storm took many by surprise due to its suddenness and intensity, leading to power outages, fallen trees, and roofs being ripped off. Emergency services responded to hundreds of distress calls, with over 140 interventions reported in Bucharest and the surrounding metropolitan area alone. Numerous vehicles, public infrastructure, and buildings sustained damage. Even official facilities such as the police academy experienced structural impacts. The most serious incident occurred in the town of Otopeni, where a 49-year-old woman lost her life after the roof of a nearby building collapsed and struck her home. Additionally, at least 2 people were injured by falling branches and were hospitalized, though their injuries were not life-threatening. The storm also affected other regions of the country, including Prahova, Constanța, and Tulcea, where similar alerts were issued. In some areas, over 30,000 users were left without electricity due to damage to medium-voltage power lines. Emergency crews worked around the clock to restore basic services and clear debris. Beyond the impact on homes and buildings, transportation was also severely disrupted. Several flights headed to Bucharest had to be diverted, and tram services were suspended. Road traffic was paralyzed in many areas due to fallen trees and sudden flooding. Authorities warned that unstable weather conditions could continue in the following days, with the risk of new localized storms. This episode highlighted the vulnerability of urban infrastructure to extreme weather and underscored the urgent need to improve disaster prevention and emergency response systems.